Welcome back to day 8 of our 30-day gentle testicle massage routine for seniors. Today, we're exploring rolling massage, a careful, soothing method to boost blood flow and help you feel more in tune with your body. If you've followed along since day 1, you've already learned how to focus, warm up, use circular motions, lift and hold, apply downward strokes, try light taps, and enjoy the benefits of heat and oil. Now, we're adding the rolling technique to enhance your practice. Picture yourself feeling more refreshed, at ease, and confident in your well-being. That's the goal of day 8, introducing a simple, research-supported way to care for your body. But if you skip this, you'll miss out on progressing further and feeling even greater benefits. Let us know in the comments where you're joining from. Maybe Los Angeles, Ohio, or somewhere around the world. Let's keep this group active and supportive. I'm Dr. Laura, a licensed doctor with 20+ years in men's health, here to share easy, science-backed tips to help you feel your best. Yesterday was a rest day, where we used heat and oil, and today we're gently introducing the rolling massage for the testicular area. If you're thinking, I want to keep feeling stronger, you're exactly where you need to be. Let's break this into 5 clear chapters to make it easy and actionable. Chapter 1. Why rolling massage matters. The rolling massage is a gentle technique that builds on everything we've learned, designed to stimulate blood flow and relax the testicular area with care. This method encourages circulation, reduces tension, and supports overall wellness, which is critical for men over 50. Research, like studies in the Journal of Men's Health, shows that gentle, targeted massage can improve blood flow, support testosterone regulation, and enhance feelings of well-being. The rolling motion is unique because it combines the benefits of our previous techniques into a smooth, flowing movement. I had a patient, Mark, a 65-year-old who loved fishing. He said this technique made him feel more alive and helped him stay active for his weekend trips. That's the power of rolling massage, stimulating your body with care to boost your vitality. Chapter 2. Addressing hesitations and myths. I know some of you might be thinking, rolling massage? That sounds tricky or uncomfortable. Let me put those worries to rest. This technique is gentle, done in complete privacy, and as natural as massaging a sore muscle. It's a health practice, not something to feel awkward about. My patient Mark was hesitant at first. He said, "Doctor, Laura, I'm not sure I can keep up with all these steps." But after trying the rolling massage, he found it as simple as his daily stretches. If you're feeling unsure, that's okay. You're not alone. This community is here to support you, and I'm with you every step of the way. This takes just a few minutes and can make a big difference. Chapter 3. Day 8. Mastering rolling massage. Let's get to the practical part. Your action step for day 8. Today we're adding the rolling massage to our practice, building on the warm-up, circular touch, lifting, downward strokes, tapping, and heat and oil from days 2 through 7. Here's how to do it. Set the scene. Find a private, quiet space, perhaps your bathroom after a warm shower, or a comfortable spot in your bedroom. Take a deep breath to relax. Warm up. Follow day 2 steps. Run your hands under warm water for 1 to 2 minutes, or rub them together until warm. Optionally, place a warm, clean towel over the scrotum for 2 to 3 minutes to relax the area. Apply oil. Optional. As learned on day 7. Place a single drop of skin-safe oil like coconut or jojoba on your fingertips. Rub your hands to warm it, and lightly apply to the scrotum for smoothness. Review previous techniques. Spend 1 to 2 minutes doing the circular touch from day 3, 1 to 2 lifts, and holds from day 4, and 2 to 3 downward strokes from day 5 to prepare the area. Rolling massage, With clean, warm hands and optional oil, gently cup the testicular area with your fingertips. Slowly roll the testicles between your fingers in a gentle circular motion, like rolling a small ball gently in your hand. Use light pressure, ensuring no discomfort. Roll for 5 to 10 seconds per side, repeating 3 to 5 times. The entire process should take 3 to 4 minutes. Reflect afterward. Pause to notice how your body feels. Is there a sense of warmth or relaxation? Any difference from previous days? Jot down a quick note if you want to track your progress. That's day 8. It's simple, safe, and builds on our foundation. Over the next 22 days, we'll combine these techniques and add more tools to enhance your health. Don't worry about perfection. Just focus on showing up for yourself. Chapter 4. The Cost of Inaction. Here's the reality. Neglecting your health can let small issues like low energy, tension, or feeling disconnected grow into bigger challenges. I've seen men like Mark wish they'd started caring for their vitality sooner, but I've also seen them transform with small, consistent steps, like the ones we're taking together. If you skip this, you're missing a chance to feel more energized and connected. Don't let another day slip by. If you're ready to keep going, type Day 8 in the comments below. If you're still unsure, type Not Sure. I want to hear from you. Either way, you're not alone in this journey. Chapter 5. What's next in the 30-day plan? We're making incredible progress in our 30-day journey. Here's what's coming up. Days 9 through 11, we'll refine our techniques and combine them for maximum relaxation and circulation. Days 12 through 14, we'll focus on making this a seamless part of your routine and discuss sharing this journey with a partner if you choose. Days 15 through 30, we'll track progress, address challenges, and celebrate your growing confidence. Each video is short, practical, and designed for men over 50 who want to feel their best. Hit subscribe and tap the bell to join us. You're not just watching, you're part of a group dedicated to boosting your energy and well-being. Imagine this. 22 days from now, you could feel more lively, more in tune with your body, and more sure of your health. That's not just a hope. It's exactly where we're headed. And it all begins with taking on Day 8. You've got support. I'm here for you. And so are countless other men stepping up for their health. Drop a Day 8 in the comments if you're ready, or not sure if you're still deciding. Tell me, where are you tuning in from? Florida? New Jersey? Maybe another country? Let's chat and keep the momentum going. Catch you tomorrow for Day 9, where we'll fine-tune our approach.